physically active provides many health benefits, but during extreme heat can lead to health problems and put a patient at risk even if they are healthy. Heat illnesses can lead to long-term health problems and even death. Illnesses such as heat stroke are mainly caused by overexposure to direct heat or to overexertion relative to a person's age and their physical condition. It's important for you to encourage your patient to avoid strenuous activities during extreme heat and to plan exercise during early parts of the day. If that's not possible, have them exercise indoors in air conditioning. If they have to be outdoors, though, have them choose a shaded area or an activity such as swimming in cool water. If they're outdoors, remind them to take more frequent water and rest breaks. Heat acclimatization can be achieved by exercising for 60 to 90 minutes a day for a period of 9 to 14 days. However, acclimatization actually can be achieved by short, passive exposure on a daily basis as long as the core temperature is elevated.